Want crispy, delicious meals without the guilt? You're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 7 best air fryers, breaking down their features, performance, and why they might be perfect for your kitchen. We'll cover everything from capacity and power to ease of use and standout features. Hit subscribe and let us know in the comments which air fryer you're eyeing or if you've tried any on our list. Also, check the links in the description below for the best deals on these air fryers. Let's get cooking. First up, let's talk about the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. A true multitasker that's become a staple in kitchens everywhere. If you're looking for an appliance that can handle just about anything, this is the one to watch. From the moment you unbox it, you'll notice its sturdy build and sleek design, which fits right in with modern kitchen aesthetics. It's not just about looks, though. This air fryer is all about performance and versatility. The Instant Vortex Plus doesn't just air fry, it also roasts, broils, bakes, reheats, and dehydrates, all within a generous 6-quart basket. That means you can whip up crispy fries, juicy chicken, roasted veggies, or even homemade dried fruit snacks for the whole family. The spacious basket is perfect for meal prepping or cooking for a crowd, making it a great choice for busy households or anyone who loves to entertain. What really sets the Vortex Plus apart is its even crisp technology, which delivers that irresistible crunch with just a fraction of the oil you'd use in traditional frying. Whether you're making golden fries or crispy chicken wings, you'll get consistently delicious results every time. Users consistently rave about how evenly it cooks and how much healthier their favorite comfort foods taste. The intuitive digital display and preset programs take the guesswork out of cooking. With just a few taps, you can select the perfect setting for whatever you're making. No need to fiddle with complicated controls. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe basket and tray, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. One thing to keep in mind is its size. It's a bit on the bulky side, so you'll want to make sure you have enough counter space before bringing it home. And while the preset programs are super convenient, you might need to experiment a little to get your favorite recipes just right. But once you dial in your settings, the results are worth it. Despite its size, the Instant Vortex Plus stands out as a versatile powerhouse that can truly do it all. It's perfect for anyone who wants to simplify their kitchen routine without sacrificing flavor or variety. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, this air fryer can handle it. If you're searching for a single device that can replace several appliances and deliver consistently great results, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven is a strong contender, and it just might become your new kitchen MVP. Next, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer, compact but mighty. It fits about 2 pounds of fries, perfect for couples or small families, and handles everything from chicken to desserts. Simple controls and a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket make it beginner-friendly and easy to clean. It's not ideal for big families, but for convenience and great results in a small package, Ninja delivers. A compact powerhouse for everyday use. Meet the COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo, perfect for tech-savvy cooks. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control it from your phone. Preheat on your way home, anyone? Its 5.8-quart capacity and 11 preset functions make it great for families and meal preppers. The sleek design and clear LED display add style to your kitchen. Most importantly, it delivers consistently crispy results with rapid air circulation. It's a bit pricier, but the smart features and performance justify the cost. If you want convenience and control, COSORI Pro 2 is a top pick. Welcome to the future of cooking. When it comes to air frying, Philips is a true pioneer, and the premium Air Fryer XXL is a testament to their legacy. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's the original game-changer that set the standard for air fryers everywhere. With years of innovation behind it, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL has earned its reputation as the OG of air frying, trusted by home cooks and professionals alike. At the heart of this machine is the advanced twin turbostar technology, which creates a powerful tornado of hot air. This means your food cooks quickly and evenly, locking in flavor and crispiness without the need for excess oil. Whether you're making fries, chicken, or even desserts, you'll get that perfect golden finish every time. The technology not only ensures even cooking, but also helps reduce fat from your food, making your meals healthier without sacrificing taste or texture. It's a smart solution for anyone looking to enjoy their favorite comfort foods with less guilt. One of the standout features is its massive 7-quart capacity. This air fryer is designed for big families, dinner parties, or anyone who likes to meal prep in advance. You can cook large batches of food in one go, saving time and effort during busy weekdays or special occasions. Versatility is another huge plus. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL isn't limited to just air frying. You can also bake, grill, roast, and reheat. From crispy fries and juicy chicken wings to homemade muffins and roasted veggies, this appliance truly does it all, making it a one-stop solution for countless recipes. Build quality is where Philips really shines. The air fryer feels solid and durable, with premium materials that are built to last. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your investment. Of course, there are a couple of trade-offs. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL can be a bit noisy during operation, and it does come with a higher price tag compared to some competitors. But when you consider the performance, reliability, and brand reputation, it's clear you're getting what you pay for. If you value reliability, power, and the backing of a trusted brand, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is a top choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants consistent results and a hassle-free cooking experience. In short, the Philips XXL isn't just an appliance. It's a true kitchen workhorse that will elevate your cooking and make mealtime easier, healthier, and more delicious. On a budget, shopping for kitchen appliances can be overwhelming, especially when you want quality without breaking the bank. If you're searching for an air fryer that won't empty your wallet, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is a standout option that brings both affordability and functionality to your countertop. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer delivers impressive value without skimping on features you actually need. It's designed for everyday cooks who want to enjoy crispy, delicious meals at home, but don't want to spend a fortune on fancy gadgets. With a roomy 6.3-quart capacity, you can easily prepare meals for the whole family, or whip up snacks for a group of friends. The sleek touchscreen makes it simple to select from multiple presets, so you can cook everything from fries to chicken with just a tap. Its compact design means it fits comfortably in small kitchens or apartments, making it perfect for students, couples, or anyone with limited counter space. The user-friendly interface features intuitive controls, so even if you're new to air frying, you'll feel confident using it right away. The clear digital display shows your settings at a glance, making it easy to monitor your cooking progress and adjust as needed. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick basket and tray, both of which are dishwasher safe. No more scrubbing or soaking, just pop them in the dishwasher and you're done. While it's not the most powerful air fryer on the market, it's more than capable of handling everyday meals and snacks, delivering consistent results every time. The build quality is basic, with a plastic finish that keeps costs down, but it still looks modern and fits in with most kitchen decor. You might notice that preheating can take a bit longer compared to pricier models, but once it's ready, it cooks food evenly and reliably, so you can enjoy golden fries, crispy veggies, or juicy chicken without hassle. For the price, it's hard to find a better deal. Whether you're comparing online or in-store, the Chefman TurboFry Touch stands out as a budget-friendly pick that doesn't compromise on performance. If you want an air fryer that's easy to use, easy to clean, and easy on your wallet, this model is a fantastic choice for everyday cooking. Chefman proves you don't have to spend a lot to get great features and reliable results. For budget-conscious cooks, it's a smart, satisfying investment. The GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer stands out for versatility and rave reviews. With 8 preset functions, you can air fry, roast, bake, grill, and even dehydrate. Its 5.8-quart capacity is family-friendly, and users love the crispy results and easy digital controls. It's competitively priced and comes with a 1-year warranty. Some find the basket tricky to clean and the beeping loud, but positives far outweigh the negatives. For a feature-packed, affordable air fryer with a proven track record, GoWISE is a winner. Check it out if you want versatility on a budget. Last up, the Ultrean Air Fryer, sleek, simple, and reliable. Its 4.2-quart capacity is ideal for individuals or small families, and the straightforward controls make it easy to use. Rapid air circulation cooks food quickly and evenly, and the auto shutoff adds safety. The non-stick basket and pan are dishwasher safe, and the exterior wipes clean easily. It lacks advanced features and isn't for big families, but it nails the basics. For a stylish, no-fuss air fryer that delivers, Ultrean is a fantastic pick. That's our roundup of the top 7 best air fryers. Whether you want versatility, convenience, or value, there's an air fryer here for you. Subscribe for more reviews, comment your favorite, and check the links in the description below for the best deals. Until next time, happy frying.